Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I want to thank very much to all my subscribers, all my followers, everybody that has watched me and followed me the last few years. And this is actually what I want to do. I want to show my appreciation. And I said some time ago that when I reach 1,500 subscribers, I was gonna raffle some stuff. So now is the time. And it is very good because it's April, and this April we celebrate the 40th anniversary of the Apple IIc, so it's very good. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be raffling, giving away this beautiful Apple IIc. This is the Apple IIc that I fixed on my channel, the one with suit. It came out so good and so nice that actually it's my daily driver. So anyway, you know, this was provided to me by my friend Alex Jacobs. He told me it's for a giveaway. You know, it was given to me for free, so it gotta go to the community for free. So what better than to celebrate my 1,500 plus, because now we have passed that subscribers, by giving it away. So this is what I'm gonna be giving away, of course, with a power supply, and of course it's working in perfect order. And also I'm going to give away this poster. As you can see, the same poster that I have up here. It's a very rare poster of the Apple IIgs, and this is a replacement, a new version that I did for this. And I only printed 2 of them, and that's the one that I have and this extra one. And I've been having this putting it aside for a while, and I decided that's going to be also one of the 2 things that I'm going to be giving away. So again, thank you very much, and this is how it's going to happen. The raffle, or you know, the thing is going to be done in 2 or 3 weeks. By the end of April, I'm going to announce the date, and what's going to happen is that you guys will have to actually comment on this video. So you're going to do all these comments, and in a couple of weeks I'm going to close the comments, and then we're going to run a program, and that program is going to do randomly select a person that was commenting on this video. And we're going to do 2 of them, of course, one for the Apple IIc and the other one for the poster. So don't forget, it's only for subscribers, of course. So if you haven't subscribed, you got to subscribe to win it. The other and third thing that I need to make sure that you guys understand is that shipping, these are free things. So I'm going to be shipping them also for free. I'm going to be paying for shipping, but only on the continental US. If somebody wins it and is not from the US, I have no problem to shipping it, but this person has to pay for the shipping, because it's expensive to ship outside of the US. And these things are a little bit, this is heavy and this is big. So we'll do that. So I just want you guys to know about that. I wish I could give away things for everybody around the world, but unfortunately it's expensive. So anyway, they're for free. So comment. Remember, if you are lucky enough, you can have a almost brand new, or at least beautiful, Apple IIc with its power supply, or this beautiful poster. So guys, let's do it, and let's celebrate the Apple IIc this month. Thank you very much. Like, subscribe, comment, and win.